Honoring Your Past Self Meditation. Welcome to today's meditation. We'll be taking a journey to connect with and honor your past self, recognizing the courage and resilience that have brought you to this moment. Find a comfortable spot where you can relax undisturbed for the next few minutes. When you're ready, you can gently close your eyes or lower your gaze. Begin by taking deep, slow breaths. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. And with each breath, feel your body relax more and more. Let go of any tension or stress you may be holding on to, allowing yourself to fully arrive in this moment of peace and reflection. Now imagine your past self standing in front of you. This could be the version of you from years ago or from a more recent time. Notice their expression, their body language. What emotions do they seem to carry? What challenges or fears do they hold? Take a moment to really see and understand them. As you observe your past self, begin to extend compassion towards them. Acknowledge the journey they have been on, the struggles they have faced, and the strength they have shown. Understand the fears and uncertainties they have dealt with, and honor the resilience that has brought them through those times. Now, silently or out loud, thank your past self. Thank them for their strength, for the lessons they have learned and passed on to you. Send them love and kindness. Visualize this love and kindness enveloping your past self like a warm, comforting light. See this light dissolve any regret, any harsh judgments you may have held against them. With this light still glowing, invite your past self to merge with you. Bring them into your heart, merging their experiences with your present wisdom. Embrace them, honor them, and recognize that they are an integral part of who you are today. Now gently bring yourself back to the present moment. Take a deep breath in and out. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes, holding on to this sense of unity and acceptance. Remember, your past self is a source of strength and wisdom that you carry with you always. Take this feeling of wholeness with you as you move forward.